So this right here is gonna be a wobbly ceiling fan video. I think it's running on medium speed. I don't really know what speed it's running on. It wobbles quite a bit. I'm going to see where the top from. It can't be moving. I think something up there is loose. This fan's like it's the newest fan at the house. So this fan came out like 3 years ago. And so he's adjusting the light tape. Yeah. Because when I pull the porcelain, it shakes a lot. So I think it's running on medium speed. I don't know what the fans don't know. But it's been hanging here for about 3 years. I don't know what brand this fan is. It looks kind of like a Hampton, and then that's remember the Hampton Bay or Harbor Breeze. Can't really see a tag on it. I don't really see a tag on it. See a tag on it? I'm going to put this cut here because I'm trying to turn the light. Alright, lights on. So you don't see a tag on it. Yes, I know to pull the portrait, I'm gonna have to like hold the light like this because it shakes a lot. I'm gonna have to put the camera down because I remember I'm gonna be demonstrating on high speed. Okay, put up to speed now. Yeah, I think it's picture that's high speed right there. See how bad it wobbles? Okay, can someone please tell me what brand this fan is? I think it balances itself out on high. I think it's high. Yeah, I think that's high because it's going quite fast. I'm gonna make sure if it's high speed. Yep, that's high. Thanks for watching.